Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export statement to Excel in SQL Account. First, go to Customer and click on Customer Statement. Select the date range. Select your statement type as default. Taking customer statement as example, here we'll select the statement type that maintained in the customer profile. When you open item statement, brought forward document will show in detail information by each document. The brought forward statement. Brought forward document will show in one line with lump sum amount only. If wish to include zero balance document, just tick the checkbox to include zero balance. Select the report template and click Apply. Right-click at Header field. Select Grid Export. Click on Export to Microsoft Excel 2007. Choose the saving location and click on Save. Then, go to the file location and open the Excel file. Here you go, the exported customer statement. That's all for the statement. Export to Excel in SQL Account. Thank you, and see you in the next video.